I'm gonna do a video. It's gonna be called Trying to Keep Up with the Reeves, dedicated to Flying Sparks Garage. People are awesome. Trying to keep up with all their stuff they get me. Makes me want to go get it too. Dang it. Let me show you.
You guys have a Roxy? I have a bright yellow Woodstock. They got a Garfield. I got Snow White. Thought about service bodying it, but nope. We'll keep that one.
I got a boat too. Yep. Nice checkmate. We won't talk about that none, no. Nope.
You got your Audi wagon? I got a wagon. A Magnum. I got a couple Magnums, but I'm keeping that one. My Magnum wagon. There's the little Fraser Nash. That's similar to y'all's little Bugatti. Except mine's got a title and it runs and drives. Pain in the ass to drive though. Probably gonna sell it soon. Keeping that one. Yep.
7.3 turbo diesel, you say, huh? I've got one. I call that one greeny. Even though it's not green no more. It's been through 2 tornadoes. Still runs and drives. Manual shift too. Love it. We'll never get rid of it.
Another wagon. Probably not going to keep that one though. I'll do a time and belt service on that out back and sell it. But since I don't have a Z32, I've got an RX-7 with a sniper on it. That's way too much fuel. I do have a Z31. I'll go show that one. I do not have a Betty Boop. However, I've got a juice box. And my juice box has all the rust with that. And manual shift. We'll get to it one day. So here's my Z31. It's dirty, but it's in near mint condition. Like mint, like very close to Barrett Jackson mint. So it stays indoors. Literally a couple little scratches in the clear coat, and that's about it. Some bugs. Check that out. Seen one of those in a while? Yep, what had happened was I was trying to make a flower bed. We had another one before, but somebody bought it. I'll put it in here. I ain't seen one of them yet on the channel, but I'm keeping this one. What prompted me to make this video. I just got this sight unseen off the truck. Here we go. What can that be? Just scoop this little guy up. Really looking forward to it. It's noisy out here. Yep. Emily and Aaron, that is 100% your fault. Your fault. So we'll be doing something with this one here very soon. Hopefully.
So that's my story and my attempt of keeping up with the Reeves. Nope, I don't have an airplane, Mr. Aaron. I sure don't. And I'm not getting one either because I'm scared of heights. A big baby when it comes to heights. Nope. I'm not going to do it. I'll get on a train and more boats, but no airplanes. Although if I had a helicopter, I'd probably try to... Nope. Scared of heights. Not going to do it. Anyway, thanks for y'all being y'all. Lots of motivation from you. And I got too many cars.